how to convert Word document to text file. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to convert your Word document to text file. You just need to tap on save as and then save as text file. I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Word document and then head over to File in the top left. Go to Save As in the left hand side and choose the folder of your choice to save it. And then you can put in the file name and you can see Save As type. Just tap on the drop down and then you can see plain text .txt. Tap on it and then hit save. You can see the warning. Saving as a text file will cause all formatting, pictures, and objects in your file to be lost. So if you're sure of it, you can just hit OK. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.